Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever imagined a world where giant creatures ruled the earth and survival was a daily battle? Today, we're going back in time to explore the incredible world of dinosaurs. Millions of years ago, long before humans ever existed, Earth was a completely different place. The land was wild, untamed, and dangerous. Massive volcanoes erupted into the sky, thick forests covered the planet, and the air itself felt heavier, almost alive. This was the age of dinosaurs. Some of these creatures were peaceful giants, slowly walking across endless lands, spending their days eating plants. But others were something else entirely. Silent, fast, and deadly hunters. One of the most powerful predators was the mighty T-Rex, a creature so massive it could shake the ground with every step. Its teeth were huge, razor sharp, and its bite was strong enough to crush bones instantly. But what made it truly terrifying was not just its strength, it was its senses. The T-Rex had an incredible sense of smell, allowing it to track prey from miles away. Imagine being in that jungle. Everything is quiet, the wind barely moves, and suddenly, all the animals go silent. That's when you know something is watching you. But not all dinosaurs were hunters. Some were gentle giants, like the Brachiosaurus. This enormous creature could grow as tall as a 4-story building. With its long neck, it reached the tops of trees, eating leaves no one else could. It lived a peaceful life, moving slowly, but never stopping. Then came the clever hunters, like the Velociraptors. They weren't the biggest, but they were smart. They hunted in packs, working together like a team. Fast, coordinated, and strategic. They didn't rely on strength, they relied on intelligence. Dinosaurs lived everywhere, in dense jungles, in open plains, and even near water. Every species was perfectly designed to survive. Some had armor, some had spikes, and some blended perfectly into their surroundings. Take the Triceratops. With 3 sharp horns and a massive shield protecting its head. It wasn't afraid to fight. Even the mighty T-Rex had to think twice before attacking it. Above them, in the skies, huge flying reptiles ruled the air. Creatures like the Pteranodon, with wings wider than a car. They could glide for hours, watching the world below. And in the oceans, things were even more terrifying. Massive marine predators, like the Mosasaurus, moved silently through the water, fast, powerful, and unstoppable. For millions of years, dinosaurs ruled everything. They evolved, adapted, and dominated the planet. It seemed like nothing could ever stop them. But then, everything changed. Around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid crashed into Earth. The impact was catastrophic. Fires spread across the land, the sky filled with dust, and sunlight disappeared. The Earth grew cold. Plants began to die, and slowly, life started to fade away. Even the strongest creatures could not survive. one by one. The dinosaurs disappeared. The age of giants was over. But their story didn't end completely, because even today, their descendants are still alive. Birds. Yes, the birds you see every day are actually the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. In a way, dinosaurs never truly disappeared. They just evolved. And now, millions of years later, we try to understand their world. Through fossils, through discoveries, we piece together the story of the most powerful creatures to ever walk the earth. So next time you see a bird flying above you, remember, you're looking at a living piece of history. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories like this. And tell me in the comments, which animal should we explore next?